On October 18, 2018, officers with LMPD's 9th Mobile Unit pulled over Kenneth Thomas for not wearing a seatbelt.
Hey, can you put all your windows down for me?
During the stop, officers ordered Thomas and his 2 passengers out of the car. Officers searched the car after Lieutenant Robert King found an open container of alcohol.
One of you 3 are drinking in the car. I don't know who it is. Okay. So there's an open container in the car. So that gives us the right to search it.
During the search, officers say they found a handgun and a small amount of marijuana. Thomas was then arrested and eventually indicted on February 19th of 2019 for a single count of possession of a firearm. After spending 9 months in jail, Thomas filed a motion here in federal court asking for evidence in the case to be suppressed, saying his car was unlawfully searched, and the judge ultimately agreed. In the judge's ruling, the court found no probable cause existed here to believe that additional open containers would be found in Thomas' vehicle after Lieutenant King identified the open container on the front passenger seat. During the suppression hearing, Detective Mayo then claimed he smelled unburned marijuana while at Thomas' window, which warranted a further search. There was no mention of that claim in Thomas' arrest report, and body cam footage contradicts that.
You guys gonna whip anything or? Did he give me any problems?
He's not happy about being pulled over, but not really.
You want to get him out?
In a second, yeah.
Judge ultimately decided Detective Mayo's testimony was not credible and the gun could not be entered into evidence.
If it wasn't for the court system to catch this, he would be in jail today as we speak.
Attorney Shaun Wimberly has now filed a lawsuit against LMPD, Louisville Metro Government, former Chief Steve Conrad, and 4 officers involved in the stop.
The courts are going to take these officers' words for the truth. And that's very dangerous when people's liberties are at issue.
It's got to stop. I got children. I got 3 boys. They shouldn't have to be subject to this type of treatment just because they look like me.
Wimberly believes if these types of incidents aren't brought to light, they will just keep happening. Drew Gardner, WLKY News.
Drew, thank you. We did reach out to LMPD for comment, but they say the department does not comment on pending litigation.
How many good cops you ever see stop a bad cop from being a bad cop? We have a problem that needs to be addressed. And until we start having these conversations, right, until the rest of the world start having these conversations, we're always going to have this problem when it comes down to policing.